Network Marketing 2.0, episode 033. For show notes, go to networkmarketing2show.com. Hey, my friend, this is Ola coming to you live from my Empire Pro. And I have something very interesting to share with you here today. If I had to choose one tool, okay, if I had to choose one tool, I would choose this network marketing software. All right. So who wouldn't want to build a team with a network marketing software? After all, we're in the digital age. I wish we can just sit back and watch a software do all the work. But there's a problem. The product itself are people. If you sponsor a bunch of people into your business with a software, I guess same people can sponsor people using the same software, right? This sounds pretty cool, but there's no such thing as a software that does all the work, that does it all for you in network marketing. There's no such thing. Okay. However, there's something similar to the idea of a network marketing software. I want to share that with you in today's episode. Essentially, your job as a network marketer is to recruit new reps and build a team, a distribution channel for your network marketing products. That's what it all comes down to, right? The bigger the network you build, the bigger your commissions are. We don't have to get overly romantic about that. Recruit people and show them how to use a system to do the same. It's probably easier to use today's technology or some type of network marketing software to recruit, but there's a problem, like I said. The fact the faster you can build, the faster attrition tends to grow. Attrition is essentially the rate at which people leave your business, the rate at which people quit, the rate at which people go into witness protection, the rate at which people literally stop picking up your phone. Okay? The more technology we have in this world, the lower attention span gets. So if one is not careful with the use of technology, it would have a negative effect on the business. Okay? I love technology and I use them a lot. You do too, because that's how you gain access to this information. But just like everything else in life, there's a limit. If you want to grow something sustainable, you need influence, and that only comes from humans. We can use technology to attract as many people and leads as we want all day long, but it's another thing to retain them. It's another thing to build an empire that won't crumble every other week. Okay? So again, there are some timeless concepts that you will need in order to grow a sustainable wealth machine. An example will be a mastermind, Napoleon Hill's type of mastermind. Now, if a network marketing software could replace humans, then the beauty would be missing in the game. Just yesterday, I was listening to an elderly African woman. Her name is Professor Sophie Oluwole. A mountain without, this is what she said, and I quote, a mountain without a valley makes no sense. Now, what that means is that the idea of a network marketing software that we just build a team for you without the human aspect of it makes no sense. Everything in life needs balance. The idea in itself would be a bad idea. The social aspect of this whole thing is very important. One of my friends and mentors said this to me a long time ago, and I will never forget. And I quote, people just want to have a good time. That was Diggin Smith. So imagine this business without any human connection and just software collecting credit card numbers and people joining. That sounds ridiculous. Sounds really good, I mean, in theory, but it's ridiculous and it just won't last. That's an empire built on sand. With that being said, it would be a nightmare to not have the opportunity to leverage my number one network marketing software, the autoresponder. The autoresponder serves as a customer or client relationship management software in marketing today. It's major in our operation, even though it costs less than $25 per month at its basic level. It's usually web-based. It's web-based, and that means you can log in anywhere in the world as long as there's internet to run your business. There is this is a must-have tool. Let's just say it like that. This is a must-have tool, and the only thing better than using it is probably selling it. There are three major things it does. It collects and stores a database of prospects for your business. It automatically follows up with your prospect and the audience you're building, and then it allows you to manually broadcast to your audience at will. So you may have promotions, you have just content that you want to send to them, A way to serve them always, of course, allows you to manually, you can just wake up and send a message to your ever-growing audience. There are other influence building features and bonuses that comes with many autoresponder services. Some of them have live stream features to connect better with your audience. The key use of the autoresponder as a network marketing software is to build a better relationship with an ever-growing audience that loves you. It doesn't replace relationship, it enhances it. So sometimes people would have difficult time in deciding to build a brand and an audience online. It's a relationship business, you can't do it. Well, that's an ignorant statement. Well, that ignorant objection are usually received online as well. Like somebody is arguing online about should they go online or not. It doesn't make sense, right? You're already online, so you're not making any sense by even having that objection. So many of these people are the same ones that are on dating websites looking for companionship. The truth is, anything can be done online as long as you do not remove humans from the picture. Relationships are built online all the time. It can it can be personal and it can be business. Network marketing business is built more sustainably on relationships. Social proof is also a factor in that. People like to join people, but they also like to join communities. It's a more comfortable zone for people to join if they see other people. That's why testimonials will they still work. Okay, that's why I still encourage people to go to the events. Just don't go to daily home meetings and weekly hotel meetings at the expense of not actually building a business. Profit is a requirement in business, period. People ask me all the time if I were to start all over and I have only one tool out of all the tools we use, what would it be? Well, that's your answer. It's simply the autoresponder. Even if there are no internet connections anymore, I would go out physically and serve people for free. After serving each, I would stay in touch in case they need me again. I would I would build my list just like that and continue to share value periodically. Of course, I will need internet to connect to the autoresponder, right? So you're right. My scenario is incomplete, but I hope you get the point. Without people to serve, I don't have a business. The point is simple. The point is that my number one network marketing software is my audience and influence building software, my autoresponder, the CRM, the one that stores and nurtures my relationship. That's money. And that's what I have for you today. Hopefully, you got some value out of this. For show notes, go to networkmarketing2show.com and you can also subscribe to our list from there. Um, you can get more information also at myempirepro.com/blog. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Please give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, if that's how you really feel. Subscribe, rate, review, all of that will be appreciated. I just need a feedback. If you have a contribution, you have a question, use the comment box area, and we are very responsive. We will respond to any questions you may have. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you on the next episode, and peace.